Most car product videos feature gadgets you'll never use, but not this one. These 13 products either saved my car or kept me from losing it. One of them cost under $10 and might have saved me from a $3,500 repair. And the last one? It's not just for your car. It could protect your health and your wallet. Don't skip around. You might miss the one product that saves your day when you least expect it. Let's dive in. Your brakes could be one dirty secret away from failing. Brake and coolant test strips are a simple way to prevent disaster. These handy strips give your car's fluids a quick health check. Think of them as a mini doctor's visit for your car. Start with the brake fluid. It should be clear or light yellow. If the test strip turns dark brown, your fluid is old and needs replacing. Old brake fluid equals slower stopping power, which is a major safety risk. Now, let's talk coolant. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating, but it doesn't last forever. Fresh coolant is slightly acidic, but if the test strip turns blue, it's too alkaline. That's a recipe for corrosion and engine failure. These strips are easy to use and affordable. Brands like Phoenix Systems and Prestone sell them for around $10. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can ensure your car's braking and cooling systems are in tip-top shape. Product number 12, air conditioner recharge kits. A failing AC turns your car into an oven. It's not just about comfort, it also keeps your windshield from fogging up. If your vents are blowing warm air, an AC recharge kit can bring back the chill. First things first, safety matters. Always wear gloves and safety glasses before you start. Find your car's low pressure port and clear away any dust. Then, attach the recharge kit securely and check the pressure gauge. If it's low, slowly add refrigerant while keeping an eye on the gauge. Once it reaches the recommended level, disconnect the kit and seal the port. In just a few minutes, your AC will be back in action, keeping you cool on the road. However, if your AC still struggles, there could be a bigger issue, like a leak or compressor failure. In that case, it's time to see a pro. Product number 11, jump starter. A dead battery always picks the worst time to strike. That's where a jump starter saves the day. No waiting for roadside assistance, no awkwardly asking strangers for help. Just hook it up and get back on the road in minutes. Modern jump starters are compact, powerful, and easy to use. They come with safety features like overload protection and reverse polarity guards, so there are no sparks or surprises. Some models even double as power banks, letting you charge your phone or laptop in a pinch. Using one is simple. Clamp the red to positive and the black to negative. Press the start button and wait a few seconds. Once your engine roars to life, remove the clamps and you're good to go. The tool is more than a convenience. It's a lifesaver. Toss one in your trunk and never let a dead battery ruin your plans again. And speaking of peace of mind, spring can bring more than car trouble. As the days get longer, many people feel pressure to reset everything. Their goals, habits, even social lives. That shift, it can trigger stress and anxiety. I've felt that push to do more while still feeling off balance. That's why my paid partner, BetterHelp, is worth checking out. They connect you with a licensed therapist, and 69% of users report less anxiety after just 6 weeks. It's quick to start. Fill out a short questionnaire, get matched fast, and switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.3 Trustpilot rating, BetterHelp is a trusted platform that helps you take back control. Let BetterHelp help you rule your anxiety so it doesn't rule you. Click the link in the description or go to betterhelp.com/carcareclues for 10% off your first month of therapy. Product number 10, oil filter adapter. A clean engine is a happy engine. Skipping an oil filter change is like drinking clean water through a dirty straw. Over time, old filters get clogged with sludge, making your engine work harder and wear out faster. An oil filter adapter makes replacing your filter quick, clean, and effortless. It grips stuck filters, prevents messy spills, and works with most car models. No more scraped knuckles or wrestling with a stubborn filter. Attach the adapter to your wrench, twist off the old filter, and swap in a fresh one. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. Brands like Lysol and OTC Tools offer reliable options for under $20, worth every penny for the time and frustration it saves. But do you need to change oil filter every oil change, or is this just a money-making myth? Get the truth your mechanic might not tell you. Product number 9, fuel treatment and fuel system cleaners. A cleaner engine means better performance, improved fuel efficiency, and fewer headaches. Some drivers even see an extra 2 to 3 miles per gallon. That's money saved at the pump. Using a fuel treatment every 3,000 miles helps prevent gunk from clogging up your system. It's like giving your engine a deep cleanse. Brands like Chevron Techron tackle stubborn deposits. Redline Complete SI 1 boosts power, and Seafoam is great for ethanol-fueled engines. If you are on a budget, STP Ultra 5 in 1 does the job. A tiny bottle of fuel cleaner can save you a whopping $3,500 in engine repairs for just a few bucks. That's a deal you don't want to skip. Product number 8, battery tester. Don't wait until your battery dies unexpectedly. Test it regularly to stay ahead. Using it is simple. Connect the tester's clamps to the battery terminals, red to positive and black to negative. Turn on the tester and it will display the battery's health. A green light means your battery is in good shape, while a red light signals it's time for a replacement. For reliable and accurate results, I recommend the Topdon BT 100 car battery tester. It's compact, user-friendly, and works on 12-volt batteries, making it a great choice. Product number 7, OBD2 Scanner. The scanner reads error codes and tells you exactly what your car needs. For example, P0171 means your engine is running too lean, while P0420 signals a faulty catalytic converter. P0300, that's engine misfires in all the wrong places. These tools are like having your own mechanic at home. By catching small issues early, you can avoid bigger, expensive repairs later. Popular models like Schumacher make battery testing easy, while Foxwell and Ansel are top picks for OBD2 scanning. With a battery tester and an OBD2 scanner, you'll have the power to stay ahead of car problems. Forget the mechanic's waiting room. These tools help you handle things yourself. Product number 6, Hood Stay Clamp. This small but mighty tool holds your hood securely in place, so you don't have to rely on a flimsy prop rod. No more unexpected crashes while you're elbow deep in an oil change. It's easy to use. Just clip it onto the hood strut and it locks everything in place. Whether you're checking your battery, topping off fluids, or fixing an issue, you can work with confidence. Plus, it fits most cars, making it a universal lifesaver. Accidents happen when hoods fall unexpectedly, and that's the last thing you need when handling tools and car parts. Investing in a sturdy hood stay clamp means added safety, stability, and convenience. Brands like Lysol and Betool offer durable, budget-friendly options under $15. Product number 5, Tire Inflator. This compact gadget plugs into your car's 12-volt port and gets your tires back in shape within minutes. No more struggling with ancient gas station pumps or waiting for roadside assistance. With a tire inflator, you're always in control. Modern inflators are fast, efficient, and easy to use. Many come with built-in pressure gauges to prevent overfilling. Models like the VR 84P let you monitor PSI in real time, so you hit the perfect pressure every time. Keeping your tires properly inflated isn't just about convenience, it's about safety. Low tire pressure wastes fuel, wears out treads faster, and increases the risk of blowouts. A quick check can save you money and keep you safe on the road. Look at your car's door sticker for the recommended PSI and make it a habit to top up as needed. Inflators are versatile and useful. You could fill bike tires, balls, or pool floats. Product number 4, vacuum cleaner. A dirty car feels like a secondhand mess. Crumbs, pet hair, and dust sneak into every corner of your car. A vacuum cleaner is your best defense against the chaos. It cleans and restores that fresh, detailed feeling. A cordless vacuum like Black Plus Decker or Dyson makes cleaning effortless. No need to wrestle with cords or find an outlet. These models are lightweight, powerful, and designed for tight spaces. Under the seats, inside cup holders, between buttons, no dust stands a chance. Got kids who love snacking on road trips? A quick vacuum pass saves you from mystery crumbs and sticky surprises. Pet owner? Say goodbye to stubborn fur clinging to your seats. It even picks up dust before you wipe surfaces, so grime doesn't settle back in. Here's a bonus. A vacuum can reveal hidden leaks. If crumbs blow toward the floor mat, it might mean air is escaping through a small hole. Product number 3, puncture repair kit and tire pressure gauge. There is no need for a tow truck or waiting at an auto shop. Just plug the hole and go. Brands like Slime and Fix-A-Flat make kits that cost under $20 and can be lifesavers when you're stuck. But what about slow leaks you don't notice? Low tire pressure makes your tires wear out faster, burns extra gas, and can even cause a dangerous blowout. That's why a tire pressure gauge is a must-have. Just press it onto your tire valve, check the PSI, and fill up if needed. Your car's recommended PSI is on the driver's door sticker. Stick to it. Note that repair kits work for small punctures, but sidewall damage is a no-go. If you see a tear or bulge, call a pro. Keeping your tires in top shape means better fuel economy, fewer headaches, and a safer ride. Next up, the secret to keeping your car's paint looking brand new. Product number 2, UV Protectant. Your car shouldn't have to age under the sun. That scorching heat can fade your seats, crack your dashboard, and dull your trim to a lifeless gray. UV Protectant acts like sunscreen for your vehicle, shielding it from harsh rays while keeping plastic soft and supple. It brings back that bright, fresh look you love. Just spray or wipe it on. It's perfect for seats, dash, and even rubber seals. Good brands like 303, Aerospace, and Meguiar's Ultimate Protectant are made for cars. They protect your car's interior and make it last longer. For best results, reapply every 2 to 3 months. Using household cleaners can dry surfaces out, so stick with a good UV protectant. A small bottle, usually around $15, can save you money later. It stops damage before it starts, keeping your car looking sharp and making you feel proud every time you drive. Product number 1, Radiator Pressure Tester Kit. If you suspect overheating issues, don't guess, test. A radiator pressure tester kit helps you spot hidden leaks in your cooling system before they turn into costly repairs. Just pump the tool to your system's PSI and watch for pressure drops. If it falls, you've got a leak. Simple as that. It's perfect for catching bad radiator caps, cracked hoses, or even blown head gaskets. Brands like OEM Tools and ABN sell kits under $40. This one tool can prevent overheating and save you from $1,000 plus repair. We covered 13 must-have car products that keep your ride running smoothly. These picks boost performance and save you money. Watch our next video on 19 amazing WD-40 uses for your car. Subscribe, like, and share for more tips.